Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Today is 9th day of English learning journey. So today we will learn English with this box. First we will unbox this box and see what is in the box. So let's get started. I received this box today. I ordered this from Flipkart. So let's see what is in the box.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Look here, it is ice box, and its company is Aristo. I ordered this product from Flipkart and its capacity is 50 liter. You can look, 50 liter, and its color is red. It comes in two color, red and blue, and one lid given on the top is open and locked, and one tap is provided side of the box, so when the ice will melt the water will collect, so remove it from one tap is given here. Look here, tap now locked or now opened. I am going to open this box. First press and very long. Press, after that open. Now you can look. Undercolor is white color. Quality is good.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Its price is about 1700 in Flipkart, and I ordered this product from Flipkart, that's why I know the price of Flipkart, and maybe approx 1800 on Amazon. You might be wondering why I ordered this, so let me tell. As you know, I have one shop, that's why I ordered this box for selling cold drink and ice cream, etc. And here mention some specification. First written here, insulated ice box, available size 3 liter, 6 liter, 14 liter, 25, 35, 50, 60 and 110 liter. Preferred handle for easy lifting. Insulated body with polyurethane foam. Tough impact resistance exterior. ideal for a school picnic, hospital, office, ice cream parlor, supermarket, farmer, laboratory, and any outdoor activity. And company name is Aristo Houseware. ISO 9001 215 company. Icebox 25 and 110 available with plug, and Icebox 50, 60 and 110 also available with vent lid. Vent lid, that means this lid. And plug Icebox 60 and 110 also available with wheel and handle. So it's a specification. So that's for today. We will make it in next video. Bye.